Every holiday season, we pull out the same tangled mess of lights, plastic wreaths, and fake snow that never quite feels alive. But what if I told you there's something quietly plotting to take over your festive decor this year? Something real, living, and almost suspiciously perfect. These plants don't wilt, don't demand attention, and somehow look like they've been designed for the holidays themselves. Sound too good to be true? Well, let's find out. It all begins with the Christmas cactus, a plant that doesn't just borrow the holiday name, it owns it. When everything outside is dull and cold, this beauty bursts into bright, colorful blooms, as if it knows exactly when you need the cheer. With its smooth, spineless stems and low-maintenance nature, it's almost strange how effortlessly it performs. Give it cool nights and bright light, and watch it light up your living room like nature's own Christmas ornament. Next up, the multicolored jade, a plant that looks like it's dressed for a holiday party. Deep red stems wrapped in lush green leaves, it's practically wearing Christmas colors. What's even better, it thrives on neglect, surviving dry indoor air with a smile. And here's the twist, it's believed to bring luck and prosperity. Maybe that's why it feels so at home during the new year. The trailing golden sedum isn't just a plant, it's living decor. Its golden yellow foliage spills gracefully over shelves and mantels, catching the light like strands of living tinsel. It radiates warmth, peace, and prosperity, giving your home a subtle glow that no fairy light can match. Propagate it in tiny pots or weave it through wreaths for a touch of nature's gold this festive season. The elongated variegated cactus might look like it means trouble, but behind those spines lies a resilient beauty. With bold green and yellow stripes, it's a natural statement piece for your festive setup. It asks for almost nothing, just sunlight, a bit of dry soil, and a safe spot away from curious hands. The perfect holiday companion, quiet, strong, and unapologetically striking. Then comes the Haworthia, a tiny miracle that looks like a cluster of glowing gems. Its leaves have transparent tips that catch and scatter light, like frosted glass ornaments. Place it near your fairy lights and it almost feels alive, like it's breathing with the rhythm of the season. Compact, low maintenance, ideal for bowls or terrariums. A small plant, but with an uncanny way of stealing attention. The aloe vera star. It lives up to its name, shaped like a perfect star. Its white striped leaves mimic a frosted winter tree. Strong, sculptural, quietly radiant. While everyone else packs away their decorations in January, this plant keeps giving, offering soothing gel for burns or scrapes long after the holidays are over. Some might call it practical. I'd call it suspiciously perfect. The Echeveria hybrid, the plant equivalent of a holiday model. Camera ready and stunning from every angle. Its gray-green leaves edged in pink look like they've been dipped in candy cane dust. Cluster a few together in glass jars or bowls and your table transforms into a living winter display. Festive without trying, beautiful without begging, completely self-sufficient, almost too self-sufficient. Finally, the Kalanchoe Christmas plant, a floral overachiever that refuses to fade. Its bright blooms last through the entire season, sometimes even into the new year. The thick leaves store water like a secret weapon, letting it thrive even if you forget about it in the holiday rush. Deadhead the old flowers and it rewards you with more. A plant that blooms on command, suspicious but delightful. So there you have it, 8 stunning succulents quietly plotting to take over your holiday decor and make it better than ever. They survive on neglect, outshine the tinsel, bring life where plastic once ruled. Maybe they are too perfect, but if perfection looks this good, I'm not complaining. If you enjoyed discovering these festive green gems, hit that like button, share it with your fellow plant lovers, and subscribe for more plant secrets that seem just a little too good to be true.